How do you get a green card in the United States on your own? This video, I'm going to break down the steps, the documents, and the process if you're here in the United States and you want to apply for a green card, especially through marriage. So this is going to be for people who are applying for a green card through family based, specifically with marriage. I'm going to show you the forms you need to have and the steps that you're going to go through and so forth. All right, so let's begin. My name is Mohammed Salim. I'm an attorney in New York. I have done hundreds of these types of cases, and so many people call me and say, Mr. Salim, what's the process? I tell them, hey, you want to try it on your own? You could do it on your own. So the first thing you're going to have to do is obviously get married to the person that's a U.S. citizen. It has to be a U.S. citizen if you want to do the green card process where you can get a green card right away. You can file the petition, which is Form I-130, but if you want the green card right away, you have to file Adjustment of Status, which is Form I-485. That's important because a lot of people who are here and they get married, especially to a U.S. citizen, they want to make sure they can get the green card right away, and they want to be able to apply for a work permit, a social, and a travel document. So you do the I-130, the I-130A, the I-485, you file I-765, and you file the travel document, I-131. The 765 is the work permit. The travel document is I-131. Now, the person who is sponsoring you, petitioning for you, sponsoring you, sometimes it's used interchangeably, is going to have to file documents with the government showing they can support you financially. So I know they love you, they care for you, but you got to have evidence that that person can actually be your sponsor and support you. They have to fill out the form I-864. Please make sure you fill out that form as well with your adjustment of status application. One time a client didn't fill it out, their case got rejected and they had to refile it all over again. So make sure you fill out that form. That form is really important. Usually it's the petitioner, the husband, wife, who's a citizen that has to fill out that form. If they have enough income, if they don't have enough income, they got to go get a joint sponsor. So that's really critical. Looking to make sure you have enough income to be able to support your spouse who's the immigrant. So again, I'll repeat the list of documents. I'll even put it in below in the video. I-130, 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 I-130A, I-485, I-765, all of these have a dash, I-864. You want to do the travel document, it's I-131. You put all those together, you submit all the necessary documents to show that you're in a real relationship. I've got a lot of videos that talk about documents about the relationship. It's not just the marriage certificate. It's got to be financials together, bank statements. It's got to be a lease agreement. If you've got children, submit evidence of that. If you've got letters and support from friends and family, if you've got affidavits from friends and family, please make sure you submit those documents as well. So you mail it to USCIS. They will process it. They'll give you receipt notices for all of those. After that, you're just going to have to wait until your interview happens. But that's the process in itself. So you can look up the forms. They're on the USCIS website. Make sure you get all of them. If you need help, contact me. I'm an attorney. I do this for a living, but a lot of people call me and say, what do I need to do and how do I go about doing it? So this video is for you. I hope it's helpful. Thank you.